What's your minimum specification?
So as we enter the fab, this is a 9 or 10 stage process. First up, we have to get our gowning gloves. Intel offers them in small, medium, large, extra large. I think I'll go with some medium gloves. There are no preferences for left or right, so let's go on with those. Then also we have a gowning room wipes. We have 6% isopropyl alcohol, standard wipes. We're in a pandemic, we kind of know what these are. And the idea is that you use these to wipe down equipment. So filming on the camera, we've already wiped down the camera equipment. And then we go on to, I guess that's stage 2, stage 3.
12 seconds later.
Now we move on to stage 3, hairnet and beard covers. Now, I don't have a beard, so I don't need one, but obviously I have a lot of hair and I have a lot of product in my hair. That means I can't really go onto the floor without a hairnet. We have medium, large. I think I'm a medium, and it's as you'd expect. Hairnets. They always recommend that you go perhaps one size larger than normal, and I think we'll see that later with the bunny suits. So now we slowly enter the clean room area. You can tell it's kind of loud. There are a lot of people in here right now. But along with the hairnet, along with some of the gloves, we've got to get shoe covers. Now, unlike the hairnets that either come in medium or large, we have large and extra large for your feet. Oh, there's 2XL as well. So I'm going to take a couple of large, and let's try and put these on. So we have large booties on. Let's go get gowns. So the next stage in the fab is starting to get the gown on. And the rule here is that you start top down. So we go hood, suit, and then we have to have external boots on, even though we've got these nice looking blue things. So they've kindly picked out for me the right sizes. We have large, and medium, I think. Let's get these on then. And this is also where we see if the microphone holds up. We have the bunny suit, and probably see around me lots of bunny suits. They're for the employees here. Obviously, they have their own suits. We're guests. And then finally, some additional booties. May seem like a lot of plastic, but in the grand scope of things, when we're dealing with a fab, this is what we have to do to get chips. I'll double check to make sure that's all recyclable. How's the audio?
Say again.
How's the audio?
That's good.
I mean, on the screen.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So I don't need to move it or anything. Okay. Whew, warm already. Yeah. And then I guess let's put some shades on. And I'm pretty much ready for the fab. I think there's one more thing left. 2 more things. 5 more things. Oh no, gloves. Let's go. So last stage before we enter the fab, we have to have more nitrile gloves. I'm already getting quite warm in this getup, but this is what's required for what is inside the clean room. I'm going to take a medium, and after this, the next stage, as everything falls out, is we have to look in the various mirrors to make sure that we're all dressed appropriately. Now, into the fab.
If you like this content, please don't forget to like and subscribe. We also have now a private Discord server, and if you want access to that, become a Patreon member and it'll instantly add you as long as your emails are linked. You can join the Patreon for as little as $1.50 a month, and it all goes back into helping the channel. Thank you for your support.